One thing that we can all agree on is that having a smooth gaming experience is key. There's nothing more infuriating than FPS drops, stutters, or even full game crashes. In this video, we will tell you 10 easy steps to make your gaming experience all that much better. Let's jump right into it. For our first step, we have deleting temporary files. I'm gonna start by pressing Windows R, then write %temp press OK, Control A, and press delete. Now, some files are not going to be able to be deleted, just skip these. And now go to Settings, System, Storage, and make sure Storage Sense is turned on. Now just press on Temporary Files. This is going to be scanning now, just wait a minute. Now just select recycle bin, just select the ones that aren't selected and then press remove files. This is gonna take a little bit, just wait for it to finish, and yeah, that's it for temporary files. Step 2 will be to update your drivers. Now you can have an AMD graphics card or an NVIDIA one. I'll walk you through the AMD one because it's the one I have. So you need to install Radeon software. Once you have it installed, just go to home, check for updates, and mine is up to date, but if yours isn't, just press download here and just follow the on-screen instructions. Just keeping your graphics card updated will make such a difference in how many FPS you get in total in games. It's definitely something that you should keep your eye on, make sure it's always updated. Now, for the next step on our Windows 10 optimization guide, we'll go to Advanced System Settings. Go to Advanced Performance Settings, and you're gonna want to put Custom and select Enable Peak, show thumbnails instead of icons, show window contents while dragging, smooth edges on off-screen fonts. You can also put adjust for best performance. This one definitely will be the best one, but there's certain things that are not as appealing when you select this option, so I prefer to have it on custom with these options selected. Then just press apply and OK. Now go to advanced and make sure adjust for best performance of is selected on programs. It should be, but for some reason some PCs have background services selected, so just make sure programs is selected and then apply, OK. For our fourth step, we have disabling startup apps. So you want to go to Task Manager. It's probably going to be like this, just press more details. Go to startup, right click the apps and put disable. So apps that are not necessary. So any like Steam or Epic Games, everything that is not essential to your PC to work, like your antivirus, you should have it enabled. So many apps here that you don't need to start up when you turn on your PC. You can just open it yourself if you're gonna use it. So just disable all the ones that don't matter for your PC. Look, I have Riot Client, I don't need this, I'll just disable it. Alright, and that's it. For our fifth step, we have power saving options. So come here, go to Settings, System, Power and Sleep, Additional power settings. Now select the plan that says high performance. This can either be a dedicated one for your CPU or just the standard one. Select it and then go to change plan settings, change advanced power settings. Make sure that PCI Express is the setting is to off. Processor power management, minimum processor state is at 100 and maximum processor state is at 100. Then press apply, okay. And that's it for our power settings. Now for our sixth step, we have a very easy setting to change that can make all the difference. Just write game mode and make sure this little setting is turned on. This seems to improve your FPS a lot, so make sure it's on. For our seventh step, we have focus assist. So focus assist. Make sure that it's off so you don't get all the notifications while you're playing, which make your FPS drop. You can change these rules to your liking. So I like mine on when I'm duplicating my display, on when I'm playing a game, on when I'm using an app in full screen mode, on. And it's just these settings. For our eighth step, we have background apps. So background apps are very consuming on your PC. So just open up background apps, make sure this is turned off. And that's it. All the apps are going to be turned off and they're not going to be consuming FPS while you're gaming. For our ninth step, we have transparency. So just come here and write transparency, open it up and make sure this setting is turned off. For our 10th and final tip, we have Windows updates. Just go here and write Windows updates. Check for updates. Press this button, check for updates, and make sure you keep your Windows updated. Because a lot of bugs you might encounter, or crashes or stutters, are easily fixed by updating your Windows. So if you make sure your Windows is always up to date, you should be able to fix these problems before they even start. So just come here, check for updates, and in my case, I'm up to date. If you don't, just press download or update and let Windows do its thing. Now for a bonus tip, it's really important to go to your mouse settings, additional mouse options, pointer options, and make sure enhanced pointer precision is off. This is helpful, like your mouse is gonna like stop when you get here because it guesses that's what you wanna do. But when you're gaming, it can really make your aim really inconsistent, and it's best to uncheck this, press apply, and okay. So this is just a little extra tip that will help you if you play shooter games. And that's it. That's how you optimize your Windows 10 for gaming. Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.